Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. I was on YouTube just watching videos. I kept seeing this ad for Google Fi and they got me. I clicked on it. So this is a project that they've been working on for years, and if you guys want to read a little bit more about it, I clicked on Wikipedia and Google Fi. It says the service was launched for the Nexus 6 by invitation only on April 22nd. The service was open to the public on March 7th, 2016, and support for additional devices including the Pixel and Pixel XL smartphones. And then it was introduced October 4, 2016, and on November 28, 2018, Google rebranded Project Fi as Google Fi and added support for more phones including iPhones. So let's get into it. It really didn't surprise me that Google is pushing their own wireless network now, since Spectrum is doing the same with Spectrum Mobile. So you have all types of different options, and relatively they're pretty similar, but Google Fi is a little bit different, and I'm going to tell you why here in a minute. So let's read a little bit about it. Never go over a bill with data bill protection, better coverage with your favorite places with 3 mobile networks. So if you have the right phone, you will be able to access 3 different networks, and I'll go into the 3 different networks here in a few minutes, but you can access 3 different networks depending on which one you have better reception with. So and then it says roam for the same price as home in 200 countries and territories. A bill that's flexible and fair. We're going to get into the bill into how much it costs here in a second. 3 networks, millions of hotspots, always connected. Get super fast 4G LTE coverage from coast to coast. And if you're using a phone designated for Fi, you'll get even more from the Fi network, when your phone will keep you on the best signal by intelligently shifting between 3 mobile 4G LTE networks and automatically connecting to 2 million secure Wi-Fi spots. I've never seen a network connect to 3 different networks at one time. So this is actually pretty cool. Get a phone you love on a plan you love too. Alright, so let's go back up into the plans. One simple plan with lots of benefits and flexible pricing. One line, $20. Every line after that, it is $15. And depending on how many gigs you use, the price goes up a little bit. After 6 gigs, it's automatically $60. So it's $60 for 6 or more gigs. So it's going to be 60 plus 20, $80 plus taxes and fees. And it says after 6 gigs with data is free after 6 gigs with bill protection. Okay, whatever bill protection is. And then wait, but there's more. It says data is slowed, but it's still free for the rest of the month for anyone who uses over 15 gigs on your plan. And then it says less than 1% of individual Fi users use above 15 gigs. I use about 20 gigs a month, so this will not work for me. If it was if it was unlimited data for $100, an extra $20, so $100 a month, I would jump right on that deal. But this wouldn't work for me. I use about 20 gigs. Let me know in the comments below if something like this would work for you, or if you're using the same amount of gigs as I am. Alright, all the things you want with none of the fees you don't. When data goes over, your bill doesn't. Roam for the same price. Travel to 200 plus countries and territories with no data costs. Easy to share with your favorite people. See how Fi works for groups. I'm not going to click on that. If you guys want to see that, just click on it. I'll put all the links down in the description. Phones. Get a phone on a plan you will. We read that. So they're advertising their Pixel phones, and they got some Moto G phones that they're advertising in here. They also have 0% financing, trade in and save. You can trade in your phone, and easy device protection starting at $5 a month, which is better than AT&T. They charge like $8 or $10 a month, something crazy. Bring your own phone to your new plan. So here, this is very important. If you want to use your same phone, you can click on check phone compatibility. My phone will not work for this. Samsung Note 9, AT&T. It's not going to work for the where it switches between 3 networks. It will only work for just the one network. So if your phone is not compatible for the 3 networks where it switches with the 3 networks, the main network you will use will be T-Mobile. So let's go back. Even if my phone was unlocked, let's go Note 9, unlocked, still not going to work. So it's very important that you guys go on here and click on the phones and see which ones will be compatible. You might just have to buy one of their Google phones. Alright, so let's move on. Coverage. Get better coverage at home and abroad. Whoops. Get out of there. I'm going to put in a zip code. It pretty much looks like the whole United States is green. Let's see if I can zoom out. That means you will have a coverage pretty much wherever you will go. Alright, so designed for Fi and compatible with Fi. Okay, so let's get into the frequently asked questions. We want to know what networks Google Fi is using. So unlike other plans, Google Fi offers cellular coverage across 3 leading networks: T-Mobile, Sprint, and US Cellular. I guess it's okay. And Wi-Fi hotspots with a phone designed for Fi. Phones that are not designed for Fi but are still compatible with Fi have nationwide access to the T-Mobile network. So if you bring a phone like mine who is not compatible to switch between 3 networks, you will be on only T-Mobile. I don't know. Probably get something better at T-Mobile for, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if this is something you guys are thinking of getting. And for my iPhone users, let's go over here to the right where it says devices. Can I bring other phones? And then full list. And then Apple models compatible with Fi. There are your models here on the left, and all phones must run iOS 11 or higher. But I would always run in through that checker so you guys can actually see if your phone's really going to work. Alright, so let me know what you guys think about this here in the comments below. If you guys seen the same ad and clicked on it too and were surprised, well, I guess we can't be surprised anymore. Everybody's coming out with their own network. And if anybody knows of a truly unlimited plan, also let me know down below in the comments. I want something that's not capped. Alright, so thanks for watching. If you guys, I would really appreciate if you guys can hit that like button and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, guys.